All right, so you're just going to do a couple of examples on increasing and decreasing prices. These are not taken from your book, okay? These questions are going to operate a lot like the VAT questions that you've already done, okay? So there'll be two types, one quite straightforward, one where you could go all right, but having seen these, having done it in VAT already, hopefully you'll be all right, okay? So I'll do the ones on the left-hand side first, which are increasing prices, on the right-hand side, which is the prices of goods going down or being on sale on the right-hand side. So Dublin Bus announces it is increasing fares by 12.5%. Okay, so it's increasing its prices by 12.5%. The fare from Rush to Swords was €2. What will the increased fare be? So you need to get 12.5% of €2 and add it on. Okay, so it's increasing from €2. So 2 multiplied by 12.5% as a decimal, if you're not sure how to get it, 12.5 divided by 100, 0.125. So if you multiply 0.125 by 2, there's your answer, it's 25 cents. Or else 2 multiplied by 12.5, so you don't need to change into a decimal this way, second function, 1 for percent, and there it is, 0.25. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 12.5% is 25 cents plus the €2 it started with. Add those on, and there's your new fare. Okay, €12 or €2 and 25 cents. Okay, so just whatever the increase is, multiply it by your old price and add it on. Okay, so as I said, that's 2 multiplied by 0.125 and add that on. If you want to do it all in one go, if you multiply by 1.125, 2 multiplied by 1.125, that gives you the new price. Okay, but I would do it the other way, just so because you can show more working that way. Now, after the increase, the fare from Dublin to Rush is €4. How much was it before? So this is a little bit like our examples where VAT had already been added on. So after the increase, the fare from Dublin to Rush is €4. How much was the increase? How much was the fare before the increase? So a bit like the VAT one, you kind of take your starting amount. If I go back to this example here, the €2 as being, you started with 100%, you added on 12.5%. So what's 100% plus 12.5%? It's 112.5%. Okay, so if you increase something by 12.5%, after the increase, you've got 112.5%. So this €4 is after the increase. So €4 is equal to 112.5%. We want to get back to before we added it on. So we're looking to get back to 100%. So just like in the VAT ones, we're going to figure out what 1% is. So 4 divided by 112.5 is 0.0355. Let's say 6 there, because we're going to be dealing with money, so we don't have to go to too many decimal places. So that's equal to 1%. All right, I'm looking for 100%, so I'm going to multiply this by 100 to get back to 100%. So it's telling me that's 3.555. It's money, so I don't need to go past a second decimal place. So that is 356. Okay, so if you did 356, got your 12.5%, that's, 44 cent, 3.56 plus 44 cent is your €4. Okay. So that's how you get back. Okay. Over here, then we're going to see a similar thing. So Amazon is offering a discount code that offers a 10% discount at checkout. What will an item that costs €13 usually sell for after you have applied the discount? So it usually costs €13. They're going to give you a 10% discount. So get 10% of €13 and take it away. So 10 multiplied, so 10% multiplied by €13 is 130. So €13 take away 130 is 11.70. So that's your answer. All right. So straightforward enough there. Now, slightly different situation. You are in a shop running a 40% off sale. You see something you like with a discounted price of €24. How much would it have cost before the sale? Okay, so this is the after discount price. So 40% has been taken away to get your €24. So if you take 40% away from something, how much of it have you got left? 60%. So the €24 is 60% of your original selling price. Okay, how much would it have cost before the sale? So you're looking for the 100%, how much it would have cost before. So €24 is 60%, the 40% is taken off. So if you want just 1%, you are going to divide 24 by 60 and you get 0.4. And then you want the cost before the sale, so that's 100% of it. So you're going to multiply this by 100 to get back up to 100%, what you would have started with. And that's 40. So there's your price before the sale. Just be careful with something like that. They could also say how much is the discount in euro. So if you're looking for the discount, you could do it this way and then just go 40 take away 24 is €16, or else the discount is the 40% amount, so multiply this by 40 and you'd get straight to the €16 discount that way. Okay, so that's increasing and decreasing prices, how to deal with it if you're asked to increase or decrease the prices, or if you're given the increased or decreased price and asked to get back to what it was before the increase or decrease.